Hi guys, a quick video, supposed to be a quick video about Samsung GR360 camera and yeah, memory fade. So for quick test I got 8 GB just to give a try, and yeah, cameras are supposed to support up to 200 GB. So far I got 128 GB. In this case it's SanDisk, so yeah, kind of super speedy one. Yeah, let's open up and see how it works. Every time I had a problem how to open them correctly without total destroying the package. So you cut here, this seems to be improved. After that you pull out the plastic container and you should pull it here, like, yeah, let's do this. Here we go, it's coming out. So we don't need adapter at least for now. So here's the chip itself, 128 gig, and yeah, let's try it. So let's open here. So once again, battery is already here. Make sure that it's the camera is turned off, and yeah, let's put the card. Here's a small icon show you how exactly you should stick it, so no force there. So memory card is inside, so let's close it up and turn it on. Yeah, let's see. Wow, so you can see, you can get the taste how many photos with two cameras you can take. Almost 1000 photos, so good luck with that. And let's switch to, let's say, my focus, it's not the best. Oh, here we go. Let's do video looping, let's do video. Right, so you have 9.5 hours recording, and once again it's full 360, two cameras involved, kinda almost 4K resolution. To be exact, they're talking about 3840 by 1920. So yeah, it's a lot of space. So after that I curious, should I upgrade from 8 GB? No, but yeah, it's done deal. So yeah, hopefully it was helpful, guys. See you next time. Bye.